When using the Easy Guide KIT, the fixture is placed in the correct position to prevent problems caused by the cantilever prosthesis. Easy Guide KIT does not require any additional equipment, and there is no time or cost for manufacturing surgical guide. Easy Guide KIT can be reused through a sterilizer, and its unique internal irrigation structure prevents bone necrosis. Easy Guide KIT can be used for both primary and secondary surgery, extraction and immediate placement. Measure the size of the missing tooth. Connect the guide cylinder that matches the size of the missing tooth to the guide drill. Drill below 1000 RPMs. Connect the guide cylinder used for the guide drill to the guide pin. After inserting the guide pin, check the position and angle. When placing the one-body fixture, a 2.2 drill is used. Drill with a surgical KIT drilling sequence in use. Honorst T1 taper KIT can place all fixtures in just 4 drillings. Easy Guide KIT allows easy secondary surgery without an incision. Guide punching confirms the approximate position. After checking the exposed cover screw position, perform the second punching. Secondary surgery becomes more convenient when using surgery utilizing GBR healing. If the GBR healing position is clear, skip the first punching and immediately perform the second punching. Measure the size of the missing opposite tooth. After guide drilling, insert the guide pin. Guide drilling after inserting guide pin. Drill with a surgical KIT drilling sequence in use. Honorst T1 taper KIT can place all fixtures in just 4 drillings. When using a cylinder guide, secondary surgery without incision is possible even in multi-case. Tighten the cylinder guide. Insert the guide cylinder. Guide punching after inserting the guide cylinder. Secondary surgery was easily completed even in multi-cases. Honorst healing abutment can be identified by color only, and this applies equally to impression coping.